el perico en blanco. Sí, sí, el tusi racista. No te confundas.
Hey guys, today we're gonna make a video about part 2 of Bad Bunny, NUEVAYol. Si quieres divertir. First, we're gonna go mirror,
Okay.
fist bump.
Okay.
And we have our feet like this, normal.
Okay.
And we're gonna go like that.
So we're gonna sit on one side.
Yeah, like that.
2
And back.
and 3. Okay.
And then we're gonna go, come on, come on, come on.
It's not that much. It's just
Come
one and
on,
two.
come. No, it's come on, up.
Yes. So it's like 1 and 2.
It's like, come to me.
Okay.
Come to me, up, down.
Down. You sit again, and your hands are on your hip. Is that right?
Yeah, and then
So
you
say
open,
hands on right, hands
on the hips, and then we go open, open. Okay?
And every time you open, what happens?
We go back.
So our weight is shifting, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hip hop.
So it's 1,
2,
2,
back,
3,
1,
and
up,
2.
2, open, open, and open.
Okay. Very nice. What's next?
And then we go like that,
Okay.
like that, and then we go like that. We like turn around just a little bit
Okay.
with our hand like that,
So
like
our
it,
hands
like it's on a table, like that.
Yes. So our hands are open. Fingers
Open.
are like together. Yeah.
And we go down, down, down.
3 times.
Yeah, and then down, down, down.
On the other side. The first side is the right side.
No, 2 times here. Sorry. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Ah,
Okay?
But the first side is this one. Right
Yeah.
side.
That 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay.
And
when
then
you change, do you go up like this?
no, it's like that.
Or directly?
Like that.
Okay. Okay.
And
good.
then we're gonna do the mirror again, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3.
I don't think it's 3.
Yeah. And then we go
Well, we'll see with the music.
like that.
Okay.
And until there. Can we do it with music?
Okay. Can we count it once together?
Okay, but with music because.
No, wait, Olivia, please. First, let's do it with the count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5,
6, 7, 8.
8, and then
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Oh, and do we
8.
sit again?
Yeah.
Ah,
8.
so we turn and we sit again
Yeah.
on the right hip. Okay, now. Oh,
Oops, sorry. Okay?
so when we are here doing this, first side is.
It's this
left.
one. This one. Oh yeah,
No,
left,
it's
left.
left. That's what
Left.
you did. And then right.
Yeah.
And then na na na.
Nah, bum. And
Oh,
then
did you open your hands here? Or is it free?
it's free.
It's free.
We go here and we go tornado there,
Okay.
and then again there and back. Okay? And then that's 3 times. And so bing na 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 na.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go, it's like practically the same thing, but it's like up and from there, like that. 3 times.
So
Up,
up,
down,
down,
straight.
together.
And
Up,
like
down.
that.
So it's up, back, together.
Yeah. Like that. That's pretty easy, right?
Can you say it?
Up, down, back.
Together.
Up, down, together.
Exactly.
Like that.
And we do that.
3 times too.
Okay. Do the legs do something at the same time? So same arm and leg.
Mhm.
Okay. Same arm and leg.
also 3 times.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so now we're like this.
Okay.
It's like ballet.
It's like ballet, but facing.
Yeah. So we're gonna go like that. Look. This hand like that, right? And this hand underneath.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go down and like it turns.
1.
Back, 1, back, 1.
So it's like feet open, legs open.
Yep. Then
And
1,
it's like
2,
hip,
3.
right hip, and at the same time the foot lifts.
Yeah.
Left hip, right hip,
Hip,
left
hip,
hip,
right
right hip, and the foot
3
is
times.
lifted each time. Okay.
3 times.
Do you have a hole in your sock?
Yeah.
Ah, too much dancing.
I go to dancing classes, flamenco, ballet, and modern.
And gym class also.
Gym class,
Artistic
and rhythmic.
yeah.
That's how we say it.
So that's a lot of sock usage.
And also, I'm in ceramics, but
That's ending.
it's ending because I get bored.
Okay, so let's do it. So we put our hands like this. Which hip is the first one?
This one,
The right one.
the red one.
1,
2, 3,
3.
4. And then because we have to do 3 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
But nothing else happened? We just do 1?
Oh, no, 2, 2. Just 1, 2, 1, 2.
But that's all we do? 1, 2, 1, 2?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we go up. No, it's like that.
I
Down.
have seen the dance. You do something with your arms.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what was the attitude before? Yes, mommy was right.
Like that, and like that.
Okay, can you count maybe? 1, 2,
3.
1, 2, 3.
And then another one, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like that?
Yep.
So that's a whole 8 on this, right?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No, but you're doing this.
Okay.
It's like.
Oh, there's no. Oh, here we're doing like this.
Like this. Like this. It's not touching. It's
Okay.
2 times.
So
And-
can you do it in time? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So it's like
Straight
a
leg.
straight leg, bend,
Yes.
back, down.
Down and up, right?
Yeah, and then we go like that. Like we,
Like that.
yeah.
So there's a bit of
Like
bending
we turn,
and turning. Okay.
we go
And
here,
facing.
yeah. And then we're gonna do kick.
Woo! Yes. Well, that yours is very high. Mine is gonna be more modest. Mine is not gonna go here like yours. But okay, well, hold on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then
1, 2,
3, 4,
like that,
5, 6,
and
and. I know, just and.
like that.
Okay.
And then we go here.
Okay. So we are sideways. With music.
Sí, sí, despacito. No, no. No, no. Ay, bonita, que sea bonita. Two. Sí, sí, sí.
Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3. Open, open, turn. 1, 2, ta, ta.
I did this. Because I was looking at you and I was like, and I was like, because I was like,
And then
no, I'm looking at you to like to
and then
wait, go there.
no.
Wait, do it again.
Pam pam boom pam pam boom.
We go like that.
Luego, this.
Like that. Two turns.
2 turns. Okay, so boom.
2 turns. And from there, mommy is gonna put her hand there, and I'm gonna be We're gonna do like that, like that, like. No. Before that, no. You come. You put.
Okay, Olivia. Let's make it easy for people to understand.
Sorry.
Let's go back here. So we've done this.
Like that.
1,
Like that.
2, and we do
And
But wait. Is there a before the
There's a bunch.
So we have to go like with the A's and stuff?
Yeah. And then we're just like
get
that.
together.
And I'm here. No, you're over there.
Yeah.
And I do like that. And you put your hand there.
Okay, let's get in the center a bit more so that people can see better. So now it's a part. Okay, let me see. It's a part that if you have someone to do it with, that's better, right? So you have someone to do it with, you can share. If not, just choose one person and do their part. Okay? Okay. So
from here, you're gonna put my hand here, right? And then I'm gonna bend.
okay.
1, 2, 3. But that's gonna be fast. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
It's 3 or 2?
Wait, 2. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Okay.
And then we have to go like that. And then we're gonna do the exact same thing as me. And you're gonna stay there. I'm just gonna go down.
Okay.
You take off my hand. When I go right down, you just take it off.
Okay.
And then from there, you're gonna go 1, 2, open.
Okay.
And from there, can we do it with the music?
Yeah, what happens then? Freestyle?
Yeah. When I get up, it's freestyle.
When you get up, it's freestyle.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me recap. We're together here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Taram, param.
And then I get up.
And then freestyle.
But
Freestyle.
I like, and one thing is like this.
And when at some point he says something that's
Like
like
home run, something like that.
I understand ping pong. I don't know. And we do
Bing
what do we do with that?
bong, bing bong.
Thump thump.
Yeah, bing
Thump,
bong.
thump. Okay,
Okay, we have it.
I think so.
NUEVAYol.
Si te quieres divertir con encanto y con primor, solo tienes que vivir
¿A dónde?
un verano en Nueva York.
Nueva
Si
York.
te quieres divertir con encanto y con primor,
¿Pero qué es esto?
solo tienes que vivir
Y este frío. fumando palo, vendiendo discos como cuadro Frida Kahlo. El perico es blanco, sí, sí, el tusi racista. No te confundas, no, no, mejor evita. Ey, un chat de cañita en casa de Toñita. Y PR se siente cerquita, sí, sí, sí. Con el campeonato nadie me lo quita.
Cerveza Nuevo, number one de cerveza Nuevo, ¿ok? Puerto Rico.
Como Bad Bunny va a ser rey del pop, ey, con reggaeton y dembow, ey, con reggaeton y dembow, sí, con reggaeton y dembow. Como Bad Bunny va a ser rey del pop, ey, con reggaeton y dembow. Me siento como el lápiz en Capel del Dow. Cuando yo nací fue que nació el flow de low a low. Ping pong, flow pesado, Big Pong, con silenciador le robamos las gatas, J-Bone.